Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to protect a laptop with BitLocker encryption. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as you know, BitLocker is one of the best ways to protect a Windows laptop by encrypting the drive so nobody can read your data without your password or recovery key. So first of all, you need to check if your laptop supports BitLocker or not. BitLocker is available on Windows Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. So now, if it is enabled or if it supports BitLocker, then simply enable a trusted platform model that is also known as TPM. Most modern laptops have a TPM chip which stores encryption keys securely. After this, go to Control Panel, tap on System and Security, and choose BitLocker Drive Encryption. Find your system drive, usually this is drive C, click turn on BitLocker and choose how to unlock your drive. That means a password, PIN with TPM or USB startup key. After this, save your recovery key. If you forget your password, the recovery key unlocks your drive. So, save it to your Microsoft account, a USB drive, a file, or print it and store it securely. After this, you can choose your encryption setting and start your encryption and verify protection. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.